Welcome! In this video, we'll cover every step of manually migrating Sage 300 CRE to a new server. Before you start the migration, make sure you've completed these steps. Make sure all users are logged out of Sage 300 CRE. Backup everything. Open the Sage 300 CRE System Administrator and backup all company data folders. In the 9.5 folder, usually found at C/program data /Sage/Timberline Office /9.5. Run File Doctor. Launch the File Doctor utility and scan each active company data folder for errors. Inventory customizations and integrations. List all custom reports, macros, and third-party integrations, such as Sage Paperless Construction, TimberScan, Crystal Reports, or Event1. Gather installer files, license keys, and configuration notes for each. Plan for licensing. Know how to deactivate licensing on the old server and activate it on the new one. If you plan a test migration, request a temporary or test license from Sage. Let's walk through each step of manual migration. Use Windows Explorer to copy all company data folders in the 9.5 folder from the old server to the new server. Place them in a UAC-compliant location, such as C/program data /Sage/Timberline Office /9.5 and Timberline Office /data. On the new server, install the same or newer version of Sage 300 CRE. Apply all necessary updates and patches. Use the license administration to deauthorize the old server if possible, and activate the new server. In Sage 300 CRE, add companies using UNC paths. Open TS Main or Sage Desktop and use the Specify button in the Select Company window to browse to the new location. Open Security Administration and re-add users and roles to each company. In each company, update file locations for reports, attachments, and custom files to UNC paths. Change any mapped drives to UNC paths. Uninstall Sage 300 CRE from each workstation. Reinstall from the new server share //server name /Timberline Office /9.5 accounting /winins install.exe. Apply the same updates as on the server. Run File Doctor on each company to confirm data health. Test key modules such as GL, AP, and Payroll. If you use Sage Paperless Construction, TimberScan, or Estimating, follow their vendor-specific migration steps. For complex environments or if you encounter errors, contact Sage Support or consider Sage Expert Services. For troubleshooting or questions during your migration, Sage Support is ready to help. If you prefer expert help with your migration, Sage Expert Services is a great option. Their certified consultants can handle the entire process remotely, securely, and with minimal downtime. The initial consultation is free and pricing is competitive based on your specific needs. Once you've completed your migration, watch our post-migration and common issues video for validation steps and troubleshooting tips.